Upbeat music playing. Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we pit products against each other in a no-holds-barred showdown. Today, we've got a 3D printer face-off that's hotter than a print bed at 200 degrees Celsius. In the left corner, we have the ELEGOO Mars 4, and in the right corner, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Who will come out on top? Grab your popcorn and let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the green stuff. The price. ELEGOO Mars 4 comes in at a wallet-friendly $309, while the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is asking for a bit more love at $479. That's a difference of $170. Reviewers appreciate the value ELEGOO offers for its price, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. FLASHFORGE, on the other hand, is seen as an investment for those who want more advanced features and are willing to pay for them. Next up, screen and resolution. ELEGOO Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD screen with a resolution so high, you'll see details on your miniatures you never knew existed. Reviewers rave about the incredible detail it produces. FLASHFORGE, on the other hand, is more about the experience with its one-click automatic printing. While it doesn't match ELEGOO in resolution, users love its convenience and ease of use. Speed round. ELEGOO Mars 4 can hit up to 70 millimeters per hour. Not bad, right? But FLASHFORGE is zooming past with its core XY structure, achieving travel speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second. Reviewers highlight ELEGOO for its balanced speed and quality, while FLASHFORGE is praised for its blazing fast performance, perfect for those who prioritize speed. Now for the nitty-gritty. Printing quality and details. ELEGOO's COB UV, light source, and laser-carved build plate promise realistic model details and strong adhesion. Reviewers are impressed with the high-quality output for miniatures and model kits. Meanwhile, FLASHFORGE flaunts dual fan nozzles and multiple nozzle sizes for superior print quality. Users love its versatility and the ability to handle different filament types with ease. Software showdown. ELEGOO Mars 4 uses VoxelDance Tango slicing software with 3 printing modes. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly UI and effective slicing capabilities. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M keeps it smart with its FlashMaker app for remote monitoring and adjustments. This feature is a hit among users who enjoy the convenience of making changes on the go. And finally, after-sales service. ELEGOO offers a 1-year warranty and a promise to reply within 24 hours. Reviewers note the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. FLASHFORGE, however, is pulling out all the stops with a 1-month free return, lifetime technical support, and a 12-hour response time. Users commend their exceptional customer service and quick response times, making it feel like having a tech support fairy godmother. Overall, reviewers find the ELEGOO Mars 4 to be an excellent choice for those seeking high-quality prints at an affordable price, with some minor frustrations regarding the instruction manual. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, versatility, and outstanding customer support, making it a strong contender for users who want a more premium experience. Upbeat music playing. So, there you have it, smart buyers. Both ELEGOO Mars 4 and FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M have their strengths and quirks. If you're on a budget and want precision, go for ELEGOO. If you want speed and all the bells and whistles, FLASHFORGE might just be your new best friend. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic showdowns. Until next time, keep buying smart. From fades to the Buy Smart logo. End of video.